Oh my gosh, this is such a disaster.
The way you were complaining, it seemed like it was a big deal.
Exciting day. This feels kind of like a big deal. We are moving some appliances into the kitchen.
Which, thank you, Graham and Clarissa. We're finally getting to the free refrigerator that you gave us probably about a year ago.
That's what we're doing today.
Yeah. Did we leave enough space?
It's tight.
Oh, we just hit the wall.
You did?
Yeah. Right there.
Oh, dang it. Well, put on the list of repairs. We are not level. Did you find a stud? Mm-hmm. So did I.
The walls are perfectly straight.
Are they though? Take two? Okay, good.
Just have to drill a bunch of times if we're wrong. That's all. Good. And did you on there?
Yep, gotcha.
Hold it there, shove the cord up, then tip it up, then we try to find these bolts. Okay?
10-4.
10-4?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Got it?
The stove back and you're in business, right?
You're doing it?
Doing it. You're doing it, Herrick.
Fingerprints, here we come.
Seriously. How was it? do you know they're June berries?
They have like a circle-ish leaf thing, and they're blue. They look like blueberries, but they taste different.
Okay, as you guys can see, we are back at the we are back at the project house once again.
Welcome back, all you pine cones and pine needles. Thanks for dropping in.
We're so glad you're here. So, what have we got going on today, Tedley?
We are staining our wood shelves in our kitchen.
Yep. So, Finley and I have got them,
Tedley.
So, Tedley and I have got them all taped off and ready to go. Oh my God. You are just like Dad. So this is just a really quick project that we've got to get done. I know it's probably better to do this when they weren't installed, but it's no big deal. We've got them taped. We're ready to go. You ready?
Oh yeah.
All right. And that's what we're doing today. Yeah. Oh my gosh, please be so careful with that. So careful. Think we can do this in 20 minutes?
I don't know. You can hardly even tell. Maybe I didn't put enough on her.
No, that's perfect. That's what you want. The reason that we use the white stain is not really to color the wood. It's just to prevent the wood from yellowing.
Oh, like because it would yellow over time.
Yep. Even if it's sealed, but when you put the white stain on it, it keeps it that nice, like...
And it seals it at the same time.
And it seals it at the same time. Yep. That looks so good. Oh, honey, we got this in 20 minutes. We can do this in 20 minutes.
Okay.
No problem.
20 minutes later.
Still working. No, we got it.
How are you going so fast?
Ain't my first rodeo, darling. Okay, we did it. That was fast. You did so good. So we're gonna go home and we'll be back. I don't know when. Thanks for your help.
Yeah.
Tedley.
There's a girl in the southeast that looks like her mom. And you should hear her singing when she thinks she's alone. Calm as the whisper of the pine needle trees. And she'll make any man buckle his knees. Turning out my heart again. She always finds another way in. Hangs her hat on the mirror, held by the door. Stares out the window and hums at the storm. Searching for answers and someone to care.
All right, hi everyone, we're back. It's been a couple days since Tedley and I were here, but now the real OG Ted is back. Is that what it's called?
Freshly haircutted, and
Haircutted.
I was shaven like 6 days ago.
But regardless, we're back. We're getting some odds and ends done. I'm getting these shelves sealed today. What are you doing while I'm doing that?
We're gonna cut the countertop.
The countertop.
Yeah,
I'm so
countertop.
excited.
Get that in. Hopefully, get the light replaced.
So that's what we're doing. Countertops, sealing the shelves, getting the light replaced, and it's like 95 degrees out, so we're just dying.
Yeah.
But that's what we're doing today. Little odds and ends.
Yeah.
So lots of right guesses on our last video for the countertop, lots of really good guesses. I was wondering how many people were gonna say dry pour countertop.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe in the future, but let's get going.
Sounds good.
That's what we're doing today.
That's what we're doing today. So what we need to do is we need to cut this down to the length of what the cabinets are. And one side square, the other side is not so
Questionable.
square. So I think the cut end will be against the wall. I think that just makes the most sense. We have one shot to get it right, so.
Okay, so the original plan today was to have this butcher block countertop sealed and installed, but I'm still waiting for the sealer to come in. I ordered a product called Waterlocks, which is a tongue oil penetrating sealer and finisher, but it's not here. So basically what we're gonna do is just get it cut, dry fit it in. We're not gonna install it, but then I'm gonna wait until that comes in, get that all done, get a couple coats on it, then we'll install it once and for all.
Take a hint. You realize you gotta use tape, and we actually want to cut the other side. We want to cut with this down. This is the top, we want this down because we're using a skill saw. And the blades go this way. So you want it to pull that way.
You're so good at explaining things.
Does that make sense?
Mm.
No?
Hey, don't mess it up now. Don't mess it up.
Oh, we gotta put the tape on first before we measure.
Oh my gosh. Are we like noobs or what?
I remember my first time.
Again. Third time's a charm, right?
It was far over today. Let's just make sure that we're doing this right. This is the bottom, this goes against the wall, this is the longer side. I don't want to waste $200.
I know.
You laugh. Laugh now, cry later. You'd be crying when it doesn't fit.
Can't see the line, can you,
Can't
Ross?
see the line. Here.
Inch and a half.
This is it.
Don't get scared now.
And let's see if you can see that.
Oops. Also, okay, so I am getting ready to start sealing these shelves. Normally I would use the Minwax polyacrylic, it's clear, but since we have probably like a quarter of a gallon left of this is what I'm gonna use to get this done. It dries clear just like the polyacrylic would, so, you know, use what you have. You gotta save money where you can, right? Stop it.
Okay, so my project's done. That went very well. Jenna, how's your project going?
It's fine. This would have been so much easier to do it. Just don't do what we did. Do this before you install them. I knew that going in, and I didn't think it was gonna be that big. I mean, it's not a big deal, but it's just definitely easier to do it before.
The way you were complaining, it seemed like it was a big deal.
Oh my gosh, this is such a disaster. This is just, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm just gonna say it right now. It's fine. I'm just hot.
It is hot in here. I'll go get you a fan. We did get Rami. We should have done this before, but.
Yeah. But you know, when you're filming for YouTube and you need to have shelves installed to finish your video, you just do the extra work.
Yeah. They look good though.
They do. And it's fine. It's just harder this way.
Did you like your light?
Oh, for cute. I love it. Thanks, hon. Some of this too. Yes.
That better?
Oh my gosh. Worlds better.
You having fun?
You bet. Oh yeah, you betcha. Is that iron range enough for you?
After a long and busy stretch of work at the hospital this past week, it really makes a person appreciate evenings like this. Jen and I are happy as clams to pack up some cold leftovers and enjoy an alfresco dinner out on the boat while watching the sun set behind the pines.
As we floated around in the middle of the lake and admired the sunset, we couldn't help but be reminded of this passage from Psalms. The whole earth is filled with awe at your wonders. Where morning dawns, where evening fades, you call forth songs of joy.
Though no huge jobs were completed at the project house, crossing some of the smaller jobs off our never-ending to-do list feels just as rewarding. We hope all our pine cones and pine needles had a great week, and we'll see you on the next one.
We're back at the project house today.
I missed. Wait, do it again. Back all you pine cones and pine needles. Welcome back all you pine cones and pine needles. Thanks for dropping it.
Get